Hey guys, it's Jaden here with Hustler Equipment, and I often get asked, what's the three main things to consider when buying a Hustler style bale processor? And the first main thing would be the hay waste. That's what we tell everyone right up front. So you might be feeding with, let's say you're unrolling bales, and you might be wasting 15% of that hay. Well, if you bought 100 bales, that's like burning 15 of those bales. And if you could cut that back down to about 2% with a Hustler bale feeder, you'd only be burning 2 of those bales. That means you'd have 13 bales extra out of every 100 bales. If that's $100 a bale, that's $1,300 every single 100 bales. And the next thing is maintenance. That's the other thing we talk about a lot. Any of these machines that we sell are 100% hydraulic. Even up to the biggest wagon, it's 100% hydraulic, no PTO. Very few moving parts, and any parts that do move, don't move real fast. And the third thing is pasture production. If you're able to take that long stem hay and put it out in a fluffy windrow, you're able to work those poor doing parts of the pasture almost as if you're rotationally grazing. So you're able to spread out your hoof traffic, spread out your manure, spread out your urine, and really build up that organic matter for the next season. Come check this out. So even on the biggest wagon we got, the Combi RX 218, you still only have a couple of hydraulic hoses you can see here. So you hook these up, hook up a little bit of electrical, and you're off to the races. Absolutely no PTO required, very little maintenance. Thanks for watching. If you got any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll see you on the next one.